welcome to my channel. And today we will be learning how to prepare these kind of progress charts, which are dynamic in nature. So you can just change the achievement percentage and the charts will change automatically. For example, let me just show you. Sales chart changed. So how can we create these charts is the topic for today. So I'll just copy this data onto a new sheet. Okay, so let's get started. First, we'll go to the Insert tab and go to this pie option and create a donut chart. Once the donut chart is created, just right click on the chart and go to Select Data and go to Add. Once you go to Add, there will be this window which pops up. It says Edit Series. So you need to type in 20 times number 1 separated by a comma. So I'll just do that, comma 1. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'll click on OK. Click on OK. Now we'll go to this plus sign and remove the legend. We don't need the legend for this chart. And we will just fill in this chart with a different color. Let's use this. Now we need to create another column or a data source for this. So this is the remaining value. So this will be 1 minus this value. So I'll just drag it. Now we'll again go to the chart, right click and go to select data. We will add a series here. The name of the series will be sales and the data will be this, both the achievement percentage and the remaining value. We'll click on OK and click on OK. So this will be the chart which pops up. So we need to shift this to the secondary axis. So how can we do that? We'll just click on this chart, the outer circle, right click on it, go to change series chart type. This window will pop up. We need to put the sales one to the secondary axis. We'll click on secondary axis and click OK. Now we need to color this orange part. So we'll just right click, format data point, go to fill, solid fill, white, and set the transparency percentage to 40. Similarly, select on this, solid fill, and fill it with your favorite color. This is fine, I guess. Now we need to create a number for the inside like we did here. This, how can we do that? We need select the chart, go to insert, go to text box, create a text box here. Now we need to link the value from this cell. So we'll just go to the formula bar, type in equal to and click on this cell, hit enter, and this will automatically get linked. We'll increase the font size and the font to impact. Increase the font size, align it center, middle. We can just edit the title. So the title of the chart is sales, and we will just change the font to impact, color it black. Now we just if we change this number, the chart will automatically change. So that's how you create a progress chart. You can use this and create, you can just use different colors and create different ones as I've done in this tab. So if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.